Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And today we're going to do a little bit of lifestyle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you my vision board. That is a part of my lifestyle. This is the first time that I actually made one, and I did make it at the beginning of the year. I'm going to share with you where I'm at now. From the beginning to the year, and we're almost at the end of the year. So if you want to see what I put on my vision board, then please subscribe to my channel. Yep. Now, as you know, this is the month of October. The month of October is VLOGtober. So it is a VLOGtober. So welcome to VLOGtober Day. Whatever you see on the title. As I stated, I'm going to share with you my vision board. I know that I have heard that people don't share vision boards, so what they're doing is keeping their vision board a secret. Keep it a secret until you obtain the vision and or manifestation. On my vision board, I have several goals, and I wanted to have them in front of me for I could see them on a daily basis. Here is my vision board. I hope you can see everything. Now, as I stated, this, or maybe I didn't, I don't know if I did or not. So this is the first time that I have ever made a vision board, 2022. I had some goals that I wanted to set, and I knew that if I took care of my finances, that it could possibly happen. Let's get into my vision board for 2022. Now, as I stated, that I knew I had some goals that I wanted to achieve. So if you see me looking this way, I'm looking at the board. First of all, I wanted a new car. That is the first thing. And then I want a new house. I want a new house. My house is small that I live in right now. I would like a larger home. Then trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not to your own understanding. Proverbs 3:5. I like that scripture because it's saying to trust in the Lord and not think about what you don't have or what you possibly cannot attain because of maybe your limited finances. So trust in the Lord. I wanted to achieve 1,000 subscribers, 5 streams of income, drinking more water, a HelloFresh brand deal, and of course financial freedom. I wanted to go back to Paris, and I would like a relationship, and then a fashion to figure brand deal, and lastly the sofa. So those are the things that I knew that I wanted, and I knew that if I could take care of my finances, this could happen. Or I want to, I want to be truthful. This could possibly happen. So if I put in the work, then I should be able to strategize to make this happen. Let's see what I have accomplished. Now, I did look at this board, I feel like maybe a month or 2 months ago. I think it was 2 months ago, I looked at this board and I had not manifested anything off of my vision board. Did that make me feel like I was doing something incorrect? Yes. Yes, it did. but that's okay. I continue to do what I knew that I should be doing. And again, that's back to my finances. And if you have not checked out how to raise your credit score, please go back and watch that video after this one. So I'm going to get right into what I have achieved thus far. Thus far, I have manifested my car. That was a really big accomplishment. Definitely, again, with my finances. But I did it on my own. On my own, I did. Well, okay, hold on. Let me back that up. I didn't do it on my own. God did it for me. Trust me. God had his hand in every step of the way with this car. But I do have my car. Weird. It is not the car that I have on my vision board. It's not the color either as I look down. So I am in love with burgundy, and I wanted a burgundy car or a black car. I got neither one of those. So I did get my car, so we can check that off of my vision board. And I'm going with God next because I know that God is taking care of me. He is taking care of me. And I'm grateful for that. Could I do better? Could I serve him more? Yes. And hopefully I will get there. 1,000 subscribers. Come on, help me out. 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe to my channel and that will help me grow. Click on that like button and then it will push the content out to other people. Okay? And then the 5 streams of income. So with that, I was thinking about that today. I was thinking, well, you really have 2. And then I was like, no, you have 3. Then I said, no, you have 4. So I don't have 5, but I do have 4. Now, the thing is, with the 4 streams of income, it's not that huge. There are different streams coming in from different places, but it's not huge. And I definitely need to actually be specific with that particular goal. So I need that to be like, you know, a stream of income, at least one, to be at least over $25,000 coming in a month. So I need to change up my mindset to make sure that I am asking for the correct thing. Sorry. Financial freedom. Well, yes and no. Financial freedom, that would be debt free. That is what I think financial freedom is. But the things that I want, like the car and the home, until I have a higher stream of income, then that puts me into debt. But have I got out of debt? I no longer have the debt that I used to have, the old debt. If I didn't want the car, I would be in financial freedom if I didn't want the car, but I wanted the car. So that is that. As I look at it, I've really checked off 4 things: the car, God, financial freedom. Yes, because I was really in debt. And that's what that video is about, how to raise your credit score. And then the 5 streams of income. Right now there are 4. but they need to be higher streams of income. No, I don't have the couch, and I'm trying to drink more water. And the relationship. The last thing is the relationship. Well, I feel like the relationship is gonna be work. And right now, I feel like I need to be working on me. And so, am I ready for a relationship? I don't know. I feel like no. And then, so until I'm ready, or until somebody knocks on my door, I keep saying that. I'm like, if they want me, they'll knock on my door. I don't know if that's realistic or not, but that's what I say. But that is it for sharing with you my vision board, the goals that I set, some accomplishments. Even though that it's almost at the end of 2022, I can move some of these goals to 2023, and it'll be okay. It'll be okay. I know that some people keep their vision boards a secret, but I'm sharing with you mine just to let you know that accomplishments can be made if you set your mind to it, if you keep your eye on the target, if you set goals and have a plan. Right now, I'm going to insert a clip of my new car. Okay? And thank you for watching. I appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. I am on a road to 1,000, and I have about 300 more to go. So I need 300 subscribers. Like, comment, and share this video. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, you, in my next VLOGtober video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. RIVERSIDE.